Well, guess what's in lesson 15? Another prepositional pronoun. This is a good one. La, L-E, with. Yum, lat, lesh, lay, ling, live, yo. So that's the pattern. Yum, lat, lesh, lay, ling, live, yo. All those same endings pretty much as before. Almost the same anyway. And now this one is used a lot with is. Is being the copula, but here it's just used to indicate ownership. Not just having something, but actually something belonging to you. Is yum a. It's mine. I own it. Ni is the opposite of is. So ni yum a. I don't own it. It is not mine. An is the question word for is. An latte. Is it yours? Okay. Kelesh an pian. Who does the pen belong to? So K is the question word here. C-E fada. And then we get some other phrases. Is milam, I like. Ni milam, an milam. Okay. Is farlam, I prefer. Is faderlam, I am able. Is kivinam, or is kiinlam if you like, I remember. Is kamalyam, I don't care. I don't give a crap. Is mianlam, I desire. Mas mi, oh, well, is mianlam an mian latte? An mian latte, do you desire it? So you can use these in all different contexts. And then you can add to it. Is mianlam fanacht ansha? I desire to stay here. I want to stay here. Fanacht being the verbal noun to stay or wait. Aberlyam, tell me. So you tell somebody using this preposition. Okay. Aberlyesh, tell him. Eisht yam, again, takes this preposition. Listen to me. Now, notice that prepositions do not translate word for word. You have to learn them in contexts and in phrases. Laurelyam, speak to me. Again, the same word as say to me. Dort shelyam, past tense, he said to me. Fanyam, wait for me, or stay with me, wait for me. Okay, and they give you lots of practice with those things. Is Lenora an Mala, the bag belongs to Nora, and so forth. Kelesh an Liaur, who does the book belong to? So all practice sentences and using that prepositional pronoun and the is sentences. So good stuff. Memorize them all. Practice them all. Use them all every day.